All right, ma'am, I'm not going to sign this order. You're proposing $20 a month payments on a $1,300, almost $1,400 judgment with no interest. That's still going to take over 5 years to pay off.
The sovereigns.
All right, what do we got going on, gentlemen?
Pre-trial hearing, Your Honor, and the parties are at an impasse. The settlement is unlikely at this time.
So we're ready for a trial date, motion date? What are we looking at?
I'd ask for, I think the parties are ready for a trial date. I think this should be in person if the court is.
I don't believe there's been any jury demand on either side. Is that correct?
No jury demands.
Correct.
It started as a small claim.
Okay. All right. So we just need a trial date.
Yes.
Heather.
I'm looking, Judge. Do we want it the August? Oh, you know what? How soon can you guys?
Are you both
here?
ready to go?
Yes.
I mean, there isn't a lot more to be done. It started as a small claim, and pleadings are in order. I don't know if there's much discovery to be done. So,
okay,
yes.
so we're right. As soon as we can give you a date, you're ready to roll.
Yes.
Assuming I can schedule it, yes.
No,
July
as long as
30th?
you're available.
Yeah.
What do you got, Heather?
Do you have July 30th, Mr. Levine?
Let's see here.
Morning or afternoon?
We have morning, Judge.
Okay.
Morning.
I mean, unless you need afternoon, sir. It's
Afternoon would be better. Afternoon, I
like
can make the afternoon work.
12:30 or 1.
Take 1 o'clock, please.
Mr. Clay, that work? July 30, 1 o'clock?
Yes.
And Eddie, are you available on July 30th at 1 p.m.? Eddie at Park Station?
Absolutely.
Thank you. All right, very good.
All right, so we got 1 p.m. July 30th, agreed?
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you.
And then, Judge, I brought out Frost and SpeedX.
Yeah. And Mr. Frost, where you at?
Oh, he's not. He did not come out. I'm sorry. I thought he did. Oh, he hung up. Yep, he hung up.
All right, Mr. Calmer for SpeedX.
Yes, sir.
I think this was a date for a creditor's exam, so Mr. Frost could ask questions, correct?
My apologies, Your Honor. I started at the company about 3 months ago, and I got this notice to appear, and I'm not familiar with the matter.
Okay, well, you're familiar with what you just did with Mr. Frost, aren't you?
We were in a breakout room staring at with each other. There was no discussion.
Okay. Have a nice day.
And, well, we were also waiting for Mr. Sala to appear.
No, we weren't, because Mr. Sala wasn't involved in today's proceeding.
Oh, the clerk had mentioned that they were waiting for Mr. Sala. I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's
Mr.
Mr. Frost. Thank you.
Mr. Frost, wasn't today a date and time set for a creditor's exam at your request? Mr. Frost. Mr. Frost.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm on here.
Yeah, Mr. Frost, was today not scheduled for a creditor's exam at your request so you could ask questions that would help you collect your debt?
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Not my issue.
Huh?
You can't hear me?
I can hear you now, but I had to put the phone up to my ear. My other phone,
Okay.
the meeting had hung up. I had to grab another phone. I don't know why it's not
Right.
letting me log in.
Was today's date a creditor's exam scheduled at your request so you could ask questions of the defendant so that you could collect your debt?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
My understanding is from Mr. Kelmer is you did not talk to him while you were in the breakout room.
I didn't know I was supposed to speak to him. I didn't know what was going on. I was waiting on the judge to come back on.
I've got nothing to do with today's date.
So
This is a creditor's exam. This gives the plaintiff a chance to ask questions of the defendant. The court's not involved other than scheduling and providing you a place to meet.
okay, yeah, I would like to speak to him then. Yeah, I want the information that I need so he hasn't paid me my money. I wanted the information from him so I can do the garnishment.
We'll put you back in the breakout room.
Thank you. And could you
Heather,
make it so I
let's-
can hear him, sir?
Pardon me?
I threw him in the breakout room. We can't do anything about his phone.
No,
I'm bringing out here on Judge.
thank you.
Yep, and then we can handle the last one.
Whatever you want. Mr. Nunley, your appearance for Miss Walker, please.
Yes, Royce Nunley appearing on behalf of the defendant. For purposes of the arraignment, we'd waive a formal reading, ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, we've got a pretrial. We got two files here. They're both Huron files. We can schedule them both for a pretrial on August 24th.
Okay.
And that would be at 1:30 in the afternoon. Let's talk about bond.
Yes, Your Honor. So my client indicates that she is not on probation or parole, that there are no warrants. She is not employed, but she receives Social Security because she is unable to work. I believe that the two children, or she has two children who are the subject of these particular charges.
Yep.
They're out on summer vacation right now, so there's no issue with them getting to school. And they did both successfully complete their grade last year, so they will be advancing on the ordinary course. I explained to her that, you know, these charges need to, she needs to come to court and take care of them, or else there's just going to be more warrants. She claims there was some snafu with mail and getting a notification from the post office. That being said, I'd ask the court to consider a personal bond, and give her the opportunity to show the court that she is going to take this seriously and appear on August 24th.
All right, Miss Walker, we've got your address on Pine, Building 25, correct?
Correct.
Or Building 26, excuse me.
26.
All right. All right, I'm going to give you a chance to do this with a personal bond, but if you're not here on the 24th, I will issue bench warrants on each of these files that will require $1,000 to get you out of jail on each file.
Okay.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you don't show up for your court date on August 24th at 1:30?
Yes.
Any questions before we terminate the meeting?
No.
All right, Huron, thanks. Be safe. Thank you, Mr. Nunley.
Your Honor, could we get ask my client for her phone number real quick?
Miss Walker, does your number? Oh, we don't have a phone number. You mind giving your phone number? You know what? Let's put you in a breakout room so she doesn't put it out on the World Wide Web.
I'll put them in. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Royce, are you able to click to rejoin the arraignments breakout room?
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, are we ready on Norton versus Adkins?
Ready, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
All right, guys, what do we got on this one?
Judge, Mr. Bogart we had spent some time in the breakout room. Excuse me. We had been kind of clicking along and just trying to get it resolved until we realized, unbeknownst to Mr. Bogart, that his client was actually in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. He's received some information from the bankruptcy attorney on this. It's my understanding Mr. Bogart can't enter into any type of resolution pending the continuance of this. So we talked, and I thought maybe if you can just schedule it for a bench trial, I'm going to reach out to the bankruptcy attorney, and then I may have to talk to my client, or I will have to talk to my client about cost prohibitiveness on the particular case. So I've known Mr. Bogart a long time. I have no reason to believe that what he's telling me is actually what's going on. So,
all right, how about August 25th?
And Your Honor, I would concur with Mr. Robinson. August 25th is good for me if it's good for Mr. Robinson. And Brian Yaldo is the bankruptcy attorney, and I did reach out to Mr. Robinson, send him an email with all the pertinent information and case number.
Carly, can we schedule it August 25, say 11 o'clock?
Yes, Judge.
Gentlemen, that works?
Thanks, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day, gentlemen.
All right.
Thank you very much,
I'll talk
Judge.
to you,
You and your
Dave.
staff have a good day. I'll talk to you later too, Steve. Thank you.
Okay.
Judge,
All
after
right.
Shannon comes and talks to you, I'm going to bring Miss Manning back in because the other party didn't show on Manning. Miss Manning, just hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay.
But the 1015 Capital One versus Manning, Capital One, nobody showed.
All right, Miss Manning, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning. So give me just a minute here.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I received something where they had counted for $100 a month.
They did.
I
I'll
was
do $100 a
wondering-
month if you agree to it.
So I would be willing to agree to that, and they can take those payments directly out of my account, but I was wondering if you could include a clause that would protect my account and my tax refund as I use that to pay my bills.
I'll sign any agreement that the two parties put together and stipulate to, but I'm not drafting any orders, and I'm certainly not going to worry about what language you want in it. Understood?
Understood.
I would suggest you reach out to the plaintiff's office, the attorney that sent that in. Hold on just a minute. That's signed by Mr. Best, so I would reach out to Mr. Best and offer to agree to $100 a month with direct withholdings and all that other stuff you just said. Council can prepare a stipulated order and send it to me, and I'll be happy to sign it, and you can go merrily on your way with those payments.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Thank you.
The Sovereign Citizen.